You are looking into the chapter of phytogeographical regions of India. Vegetation of any place is modified by environmental factors, climatological factors, geological factors, and biotic factors. The great area of Indian subcontinent has wide range of climate and corresponding diversity. Diversity means various ranges of flora and fauna in the vegetation. Important contributors who attempted to analyze, identify the vegetation of India are Hooker 1907 and Chatterjee 1939. Into 8 botanical provinces. The chapter is very long and we have to finish it within the time frame and MB as well. Number 1 Eastern Himalaya, number 2 Western Himalaya, number 3 Indus Plain, 4th Gangetic Plain, and 5 Malabar, and 6 Deccan, and 7 Assam, and 8 Maldives are islands. So first Western Himalaya. This consists of North Kashmir, South Kashmir, a part of Punjab, Kumaon. It is wet and slightly dry. Evergreen and somewhat deciduous forests are there. The annual rainfall is 100 to 200 centimeter as per the old data. Snowfall occurs in this region. It is divided into sub-mountain zone, temperate zone, alpine zone. So number 1 sub-mountain zone. This is the Shivalik range where average range of rainfall is 100 centimeter. It is dominated by Shorea robusta, a kind of very smart, beautiful tree. Shorea robusta. Other important trees are Salmalia malabaricum. It is common. Butea monosperma, it is also common. Acacia caduceus, uncommon, and Gigifus species. Bare. In the swampy areas, Dalbergia Shisham, Ficus glomeruta, Eugenia jambolana are common. In west dry regions, salt trees are replaced by xeric plants. Xeric plant means xerophytic plants. Gigifus, Acacia, Carissa, and thorny euphorbias. Euphorbia aeliana like. All these are within the range of 300 to 1500 meters. At higher altitude of around 1000 to 1500 meters. Pine forests are also found with the common species Pinus longifolia, Pinus roxburghii. Number 2 temperate zone. Its range is 1500 to 3500 meters. Oak, Populus, Rhododendron, Betula, Pyrus, Pinus, Excelsa, Cedrus, Tuna, Deodara, Picea, Albis, Cupressus, Taxus species are found. Commonly in herbs between 1600 to 1800 meters like Ranunculus, Hatila, Polygonum, Potentilla, Argyrophylla, Delphinium, Crucifers, Clematis, and Compositae are common. Wheat, barley are the common crops of Punjab. So Punjab is here inside this temperate zone. In West Kashmir, rice cultivation is common. Kesher or saffron, crocus, sativus, apple, peaches, walnut, almond are edible fruits in the region. Third alpine zone. The range 3,500 to 5,000 meters is characterized by alpine zone, icy zone, snowfall zone. Rhododendron, Betula, silver fir, juniperus are common forests. Conifers are the major trees of this region. Primonta, Polygonum, Bassiana, Astragalus are the herbaceous species which form alpine meadow. Altitude of 5,000 meters, snow is found all the year. All the year. Snowfall is common all the year. Therefore, it is featured as snow or ice line. Number 2, Eastern Himalaya. The Eastern Himalaya is extended from Sikkim to Assam, Darjeeling and Nepal, with a heavy rainfall and less snowfall, high temperature and humidity. This region is divided into 3 zones. Tropical submountain zone. It is characterized by warm and humid conditions. Up to 1800 meters salt forests and mixed deciduous forests with Estracolia, Anthocephalus kadamba, Kadam, Terminalia Arjun tree, and Bauhinia, Kachnar are common. In the savanna forests, Albizia, Procera, Salmelia, and Briscophia, Dendrocalamus are common. Evergreen forests of the vegetation like Dillenia, Indica, Echinocarpus, Michelia Champaka, Cinnamon are common. 2. Temperate or mountain zone. Temperate or mountain zone. (1800 to 3,000 meters altitude). Divide into upper and lower zones. In the lower zone, Quercus, Cedrula, Eugenia, Pyrus, Michelia, Echinocarpus are commonly found. In the upper zone of 3,000 to 4,000 meters, conifers and rhododendrons are found. Conifers like Picea spinulosa, Larix, Abies, Juniperus, Soga, etc. are commonly found. Third alpine zone. Above 4,000 meters, snow line starts with a humid climate and extreme cold. It is featured by zero presence of trees and predominated by shrubs. Very small shrubs are there because of the snowfall zone, icy zone, and meadows. Very small plants. Somewhere rhododendron and juniperus are uncommon. Third, Indus plains. It includes Punjab, Rajasthan, Delhi, Gujarat. Dry hot summer and dry cold winter with a moderate rainfall. As per the old data, the climatological conditions have changed. In today's scenario, somewhere better cultivable land with saline nature. The soil texture is saline. The desert region is excessively dry, bushy and thorny plants. If you visit to Rajasthan and Haryana, you can find out all these bushy and thorny plants and trees like Acacia arabica, Prosopis. Prosopis is common in Rajasthan. Acacia is also common, abundant. Spicigera, Caparis, Idia are very common. Salsola, Fetida and Lunac grass are found in the saline soil. Other plants like Anogesus, Eugenia, Mango, Albigia, Liebeck, Dalbergia sissue, Gigifus. Dalbergia sissue and Gigifus are common everywhere, but species are different or commonly found. The dense forest was observed 2000 years ago. 2000 years ago. See, Mr. Shankan, which turned into the dry region due to over exploitation. Under the process and the schemes of industrialization, many such green fields have been desolated. Saccharum munja, Sancrus, Ciliaris, Prosopis, Spicigera, Acacia leucophylla, Acacia senegal are the common plants to check spread of desert. Full of sand and dunes with sparse distribution of the plants. 4. Gangetic plains. It is the richest zone of India. Delhi, UP, Bihar, West Bengal, Orissa, heavy rainfall with 150 centimeter and above. Produce wheat, barley, maize, jowar, bajra, urad, moong, sugarcane, pea, groundnut, potato, brassica, and rice. Dry, deciduous and shrubby forests are common in the western part of UP. Caparis, Acacia, Saccharum munja are common, and near Himalaya foothills, Acacia, Dalbergia are common. In the eastern Gangetic plain, the conditions are cold. The banks of the Ganga are cold and wet with rainfall of 150 centimeter. In West Bengal as well, deciduous trees with dominant salt trees. Salt trees with other like Terminalia tomentosa, Bauhinia, Acacia, Diospyros, Eugenia, Agenodacta, Maduca indica, Tamarindus, Mangifera indica, etc. are common here. In Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha hills, Rubus, Potentilla, Fragaria, Pyrus are common. West Bengal is featured by mangrove vegetation. Mangrove, Sundarban. The Sundarban is there. By mangrove vegetation. Near Sundarban and Odisha. Rhizophora, Cereops, Acanthus, Candelia, Bruguera are common mangrove plants. Central India, this covers MP, Odisha, Gujarat, Vindhya. The regions are hilly with rainfall of 170 centimeter. Some areas are above the sea level with 500 to 700 meter. Biotic disturbances are common. Therefore, many thorny plants have grown up. Terminalia, tomentosa, Bauhinia, Mangifera, Phalanthus, Ficus glomerata, Tactona grandis are common. So these are the timber trees. Are commonly found there. Shrubs of Mimosa, rubicolis, Desmodium, Acacia gingivus, rotundifolia are common. The entire forest is divided into sal, mixed deciduous forest and thorny forest. So central India has been divided into three kinds of forests, somewhat green and somewhat deciduous and thorny forests. 6. Deccan. All southern peninsular India, including Satpura, Godavari, Jabalpur range. Satpura Godavari river areas cover up Deccan with 1000 centimeter rainfall. Fluctuations are also there. It is divided into one Deccan plateau and two Coromandel coast. Deccan plateau is featured by teak forests with Diosporas, Acacia, Prosopis, Spicigera, Santalum, Album, Cedrela, Tuna, Caparis, Euphorbia, Phalanthus are common. On rocks, Pterocarpus, Borassus, Phoenix sylvestris are common with teak. So when you undergo excursion, when you visit to some such kind of regions, you get identification by your professors. So you may know all such kinds of plants and trees with identification. In Chota Nagpur region, Clematis, Natans, Berberis, Thalictrum are common. Rosaceae, Compositae, Apocynaceae, Orchidaceae, Amaranthacea are also common. 6. Western coast of Malabar. This is small botanical province covering Cape Comorin to Gujarat and Western Ghat with a heavy rainfall. 4 types of forests are found here. 1. Tropical forest with 700 meter. 2nd, deciduous forest with 600 meter. 3rd, temperate forest with 1200 meter. And 4th, mangrove vegetation. Cedrela, Tuna, Dipterocarpus, Mangifera indica, Stercolia, Alata, Atrocarpus, Lagerstromia, etc. are commonly found here. On the Nilgiri hills, Rubus, Rhododendron, Arboreum, Thalictrum, Fragaria are commonly found. Tiliaceae, Meliaceae, Myrtaceae, Piperaceae, Anacardiaceae, Orchidaceae are common. 7. Assam. It is characterized by the valley Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra river is there. Naga Hills and Manipur are the regions with very heavy rainfall, 1000 centimeter fluctuations may be there. Broad-leaved, tall, evergreen forest with angiosperm and some conifers, Ficus michaelia, Artocarpus, stercolia, morus are common, bamboos, canes for the furniture, climbers and green bushes are common. Nepenthes khasiana, Betula, Magnolia, Prunus are common, Rhododendron, Alnus, Nepalensis, orchid. Various kinds of orchids are also found. It is ranging in the long chain of orchids. Then the Maldives, Andaman Nicobar Islands. These Bay Islands are found as elevated regions of submarine mountains. Climate is humid. Beech forests, evergreen deciduous forests and mangrove vegetation are there, are commonly found. Tall trees of Calophyllum, Dipterocarpus, Lagerstomia, Terminalia are found commonly. Paddy and sugarcane crops are grown up and cultivated there. So you have seen 8 kinds of phytogeographical zones and various kinds of plants and their species. It should be protected. It should be saved by the government, by the people, because many of these species are near extinction. So our duty is to save them under the prime priority. Thank you.